If you are new to Lightroom, then the process of importing your photos may seem a little daunting, a little confusing, or a little strange. In fact, I know people who don't like Lightroom because you have to import your photos, but I just want to kind of get past some of the misunderstandings of what the import process does. First of all, when you import your photos, you are not putting them in a strange location, you're not putting them inside the application. All you're doing is telling Lightroom where to see those photographs. Lightroom in itself is a catalog, and that means that it is cataloging the photos that you tell Lightroom to look for. All of your photos are exactly where you want them to be. They're either on an external hard drive, an internal hard drive. Whether you import them through an SD card, add them, or move them into your catalog, the photos don't go into a strange location. Let me show you. If I were to right-click on one of my photographs, I can show this in the Finder, and I can see the image right in front of me. This is in the exact location that I told Lightroom to place it when I imported it. I can access these files outside of Lightroom, and I can move them around, preferably inside of Lightroom. All the import process is doing is saying, hey Lightroom, this is where my photos are stored. Go ahead and show me a representation of them inside of Lightroom so I can organize them and make edits to my photographs.